Bluetooth when you need it. For professionals in sound, XLR is pretty standard. But as we move into a digital age, Bluetooth becomes easier and more convenient for most people. With most equipment still for XLR connections, it's good to have a device that's easily adaptable. The Talent BXR-1 allows you to quickly pair Bluetooth devices so you can add music to a mixer or stage XLR microphone input. So if you have someone who has a phone or computer they want to play a song from, you can send the audio wirelessly to the BXR-1, which would be plugged into an XLR input on your mixer or PA speaker. And if a signal is too hot, quickly drop it 10 dB with a switch. Not only is it chargeable, but it's also operable while charging, so it's always good to go, which also makes phantom power no issue at all. With it being so small, you can even afford to have two ready to go for whenever you need stereo. When two are paired, you can send the audio to one and the device will automatically send stereo channels. Be prepared with the BXR-1 from Talent.